this is the last edition of the Dodge Challenger that was produced worldwide, and this is the only one that exists in India. And my oh my, Ducati 959 Panigale, not just any 959 Panigale. So वो बोले कि they are soon gonna put up a V8 engine inside it. What is up everyone and welcome back to another vlog, guys. Your brother SM Vlogs is back again with some banger content. And guys, आपके प्यार की वजह से आपने मुझे जितना भी प्यार दिया on my YouTube videos and Instagram as well, your brother has officially collaborated with Car Commune. And what is Car Commune? Let me just tell you.
Car Commune is a revolutionary identity into car care industry. Car Commune aims to be the ace into car care industry by providing best services and products for all kinds of cars, whether it be economical or luxury. For B2B, one of the service-based verticals of Car Commune is dry wash and wax. It is a German technology where they replace traditional car washing methods to dry wash and wax. And with just 300 ml of water used in this innovative process, that's their USP. They are saving over 99% of water. Car Commune has started a revolution into car care industry by providing big automobile giants in India by giving them service along with international standards of equipments and trained staff with strict SOPs. So far, Car Commune has saved over 67 lakh liters of water.
So yes guys, make sure you follow Car Commune, check out their Instagram as well, and also support them. Coming back to our point that we are here at the Valley Run, so there's an important update that I wanted to give you. So इस साल से Elite Octane has made 2 editions of the Valley Run. So this basically which I am here at right now is the summer edition happening here in summer season, and दूसरा जो होगा that will be in the winters called the winter edition. So yes guys, for all of you those ask me about the updates of these events that happen, make sure you follow me on Instagram because इस event के updates मैंने पहले ही Instagram पे दे दिए थे, and my YouTube as well. So yes guys, बढ़ते towards our main content that we are here to check out the cars and the bikes present here at the Valley Run 12th edition. So let's just not waste any much time and head directly towards the cars and the bikes. And guys, Car Commune की है मेरे सामने a freaking Mercedes-Benz GLS. Boys, check this out. And आगे बढ़ते ही I've got a track weapon, India's fastest M2 right over there. This is sick. Powered by Cloud9. And let's see, बढ़ते आगे. Let's see what all we have got here today. So basically, as I told you, आज जो है this is the first day of the Valley Run of the summer edition, and आज जो भी होगा सब रात में होगा, and that's what will add more beauty to the event क्योंकि it's like the sundowner event, you know I'm saying. And वहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो guys, crazy कुछ तो burn कर रहा है, something crazy. Let's just check that out, boys. Bro, insane stunts in the fire. This is crazy. Salute है भाई को for doing such dangerous stunts. बाकी let's get inside and see what all cars we have. And guys, let me show you something special. Check that out. Literally a Dodge Challenger SRT has pulled up here at the Valley Run. Insane guys, कितनी ज़्यादा बढ़िया लग रही है. Check that out, all the way from Dubai. And guys, if you look closely, so ये जो दूसरी वाली DRL है of the headlight, this is not a complete one. मतलब अंदर जो LED है that is not present. Instead, this takes the air inside the engine, which helps for more combustion and leading to generate more horsepower. Bhai, this is so sick. And if you're wondering why this car is looking so clean, well, that's been detailed by Car Commune, and that is the sole reason to make it look more beautiful. And guys, क्या लग रही है पीछे से भी, बॉस, insane. जिसको पता है उसको पता है. This is the car which got famous I mean is famous already, and this Dodge specially was also featured in Guru Randhawa's song which was shot in Dubai. And आप देख सकते हो this has got the Dubai number plate. And सबसे main बात that this is a left hand drive. Of course you know अभी काफ़ी सारी यूट्यूबर लोग ला रहे, तो you might be familiar with. And ये जिनकी गाड़ी है, so this is his Instagram and YouTube as well. Check him out and YouTube पे भी subscribe कर लो. Also follow him on Instagram because sick content is on the way. बाकी moving on to some more cars. यहाँ पर है एक Mustang which is from Mumbai and it is blacklisted I guess, but that's just for the entertainment purposes. But yeah, यहाँ पर है an Accord, an Audi A7 or A6, not sure about it. But yeah, some Mercedes, and यहाँ पर है a Mercedes GLE 53 AMG. Bro, this is sick. Like अंदर से we have got the carbon fiber, and yes, this is the newer GLE 53 AMG. But yes, यहाँ पर है हम at the Valley Run, and there are insane amount of cars present over here, which I am showing you right now. By the way, a Beetle, a Mini Cooper as well, a BMW, and यहाँ पर है एक pretty interesting scooter, electric scooter, for which you can use to hinder around here and there at the Valley Run. बाकी this is something very unique. You have got an Accord, a modified, a drag spec. सब कुछ हटा दिया है गाड़ी में से to because it's a race car and you need to save weight for it, and also you have got a roll cage inside it. So because racing के वक्त you need to maintain a lot of safety, so you put roll cage in ताकि गाड़ी flip ना हो और stable रहे. बाकी what is this? Okay. You have got some insane bikes as well. Shout out to Ritz and Anvay for pulling up here with this stunning beauties. Reel coming up on these two beauties as well very soon on Instagram, so make sure you follow Anvay as well. Great racers out here, and we are hoping that they win this time. Let's see if there are some interesting cars pulled up today, this Saturday night, because supercars जो आने वाली है वो तो कल आने वाली है, but we are expecting some cool cars to see here, like the tuned ones, the stage 2s, the stage 3s. So let's see what all we have. By the way, मेरी नज़र इस पे पड़ी है, and this is a Volkswagen Vento, very beautifully modified. I guess this is a stage 2 or 3 with OG Recaro seats inside. Boys, this is a looker, and of course seats have been removed because race car and you need to save a lot more weight. And जबकि अभी मैं weight की बात कर ही रहा हूँ, इस गाड़ी का जो front hood है that is completely made out of carbon fiber. No, it's not a wrap, this is actual carbon fiber. And bro, the combination and the color is looking so well, it's matching so well on the car. We have got some tuned Zens that just finished their race. यहाँ पर है एक Skoda Octavia tuned, and as you guys can see, most of these cars that are present out here have got their seats removed because ये कार जब भी रेस करती है, so their goal is to save as much as weight as possible, to remove the weight out of the car, ताकि जो engine का power है that comes to its full use and the car runs more effectively with more horsepower, and it runs fast basically. So another Skoda Octavia VRS from Team N1 Racing. I'm not sure which it is, but it's from the Kickshift crew. And guys, of course, when it's from the Kickshift crew, it will win some races for sure. We have got some interesting bikes, some 125cc, some 250cc, and my oh my, यहाँ पर है Ducati 959 Panigale, not just any 959 Panigale, but the Corsa version of this bike. I mean, just look at it, boys. कितनी crazy है. I don't know much about bikes क्योंकि मैं bikes में अभी just उतर रहा हूँ. I'm learning about them. And here is a Ninja, some more bikes as well. बाकी there are tuned cars all over here, ready to rock on the track, to make a move on the track and set some insane records. क्योंकि बॉस आप इसके टायर चेक कर लो. दिस इज प्रॉपर ट्रैक स्पेक एंड आई एम श्योर दिस इज गोना विन सम ट्रॉफीज एज वेल. भाई ये चेकआउट करो यार, लेटेस्ट जेन द मर्सिडीज GLS. बट आप इसका अगर कलर ऑब्जर्व करोगे, दिस इज नॉट अ ब्लैक वन, दिस इज एक्चुअली एन एमरल्ड ग्रीन GLS. एंड आप प्लेट्स भी देख सकते हो कितने बढ़िया तरीके से लगाए. आई मीन द प्लेट गेम इज रियली स्ट्रॉन्ग ओवर हियर. And what do you think about this spec? Let me know in the comments below. And as you guys can see, emerald green with the matching interiors, with the cream interiors, is looking very nice. बाकी बढ़ते हैं towards the private pits over there, so that I can show you something very interesting जो कि उधर छिप रहा है. So let's just head over there and I'll show you guys. And guys, जैसे मैं बढ़ रहा था towards there at the private pits, look what I saw. Sanam Seconds Lexus LS 200 with a 2JZ inside it, and last time you saw this car had a different look. This wrap is representing the Indian heritage and culture with the peacock over there, Indian wedding scenes over here, literally the Bhojpuri guys. And after some time Sanam bhai is going to drive this car, so I'm pretty excited for it. I'll just show you that as well. Till then, जैसे मैंने बोला, now we are heading towards the race pits, the private pits, sorry, and वहाँ पर है a very cool car which I'd like to show you, so let's head over there. Oh wow, and ये भी check out करो, you've got a Jaguar F-Type which was previously belonging to a dear brother of mine, a big brother of mine, but now it resides in Mumbai, so ये मुंबई से ही है. By the way, this is the thing I was talking about. Boys, check this out. From the anarchy of speed, this is literally a Morris Minor converted into a rat rod. So वो बोले कि they are soon gonna put up a V8 engine inside it. And let me show you this from the front. You won't believe they actually took out the front, the whole of the front of the Morris Minor, and this is how it looks from the front. And I guess इसको और 6 to 8 months लगेंगे to get it completely built. But this is its situation right now, and this is really very cool. What do you guys think about this build? Do let me know in the comments below. Till then, we'll head ahead to see some more cars. By the way, bikes बहुत आवाज़ कर रही है. There are some Hayabusas ready to race, some S1000 RRs as well, a Daytona R, and नहीं कुछ है इस टाइम क्योंकि आज सैटरडे है. The pits are not completely filled, so I'm waiting for tomorrow. यहाँ पर कुछ देखने मिले. Bro, crazy. What do you think? What are your thoughts? But right now, let's just head on, and I'll show you the races that are happening here at the track spec of some tuned cars, modified cars. So जल्दी से चलते हैं उधर and देखते हैं the races. And since AMG is the official sponsor here, यहाँ पर है AMG की GT63S. And guys, literally ये गाड़ी जो है, it is a super car killer because it has got almost 700 plus horsepower in it, and it can easily compete with supercars like Lamborghini, Ferrari any day, and it can defeat them as well. Eyes on the race, eyes on the signal. There it goes. It's a sand killing on the track. यहाँ पर है और एक Gen 3 Hayabusa wrapped in red. Do you guys think it is suiting the bike? Like मुझे personally इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. बढ़ते हैं towards the main section, the drifting section, and get ready boys. You are about to experience something insane, some insane drifts. So yeah, let's go. Yo boys, check that out. Damn. Sanam second mile. वेल अगर मैं इस गाड़ी के बारे में थोड़ा सा और बता दूँ, सो दिस इज़ द लास्ट एडिशन ऑफ द डॉज चैलेंजर दैट वाज प्रोड्यूस्ड वर्ल्ड वाइड, एंड दिस इज़ द ओनली वन दैट एग्जिस्ट इन इंडिया, एंड वर्ल्ड वाइड देर आर ओनली 200 यूनिट्स ऑफ इट. द रीज़न आई एम सेइंग दिस बिकॉज बाकी जो आते हैं those have got a different engine specification, but this one right over here, इसके अंदर है the 6.4 liter V8 engine which makes it more special, and this car is just stunning. इसके साइड में भी है the India's most famous GTR. I'm not ignoring it, but I'm keeping this for the next vlog because this car has got some insane upgrades as compared to what it had got last time. बहुत एक प्यारी चीज़ है इस गाड़ी में प्रेजेंट जो मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ, बट नॉट इन दिस व्लॉग, इट विल बी इन द नेक्स्ट व्लॉग. सो मेक श्योर यू आर सब्सक्राइब, मेक श्योर यू आर फॉलोइंग मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम फॉर ऑल द अपडेट्स. आई प्रॉमिस यू दैट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू सम कंटेंट विच you won't get to see on any other YouTube channel. Check this out now.